In today's video, I'm going to show you how to combine notification and quick settings panel in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. So if I swipe down from here, you can see it's only showing my notifications, but it cannot show quick panel settings. On the other hand, just go back and then swipe down from here, just top right corner, and that's it. Now you can see quick settings panel is showing. So if you want to combine these two options, notification and quick settings, just tap on this edit icon, then go to panel settings. Here you can see two options, separate and together. You have to just select together from here and then go back, then just tap on done and then go back again. Now just swipe down from anywhere, and that's it. You can see notification and control panel is showing. That means it's combined now. And that is how you can combine notification and quick settings panel in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.